this is a secret message. Hindi mo alam to. It's a surprise. You know, I want to thank you for being so nice and supportive. I love receiving tweets from you, and it was really nice of you to come see me here in Dubai, even though it's a short while. Sana you guys can come visit again tomorrow, because you're not really behind the camera right now. You're not recording it. Yeah, thank you very much. Thanks for the...
Yeah.
You know me so well. This is so me, and of course for my... Now I can drink my coffee. Yeah. Thanks. Yeah, if ever you guys are in the Philippines, come visit me. I'll bring you around, bring you to Tagaytay, show you our house in Tagaytay. Okay?
Really?
But if I come back to Dubai,
Naka-record to.
Naka-record to.
Yeah. Ano ko ba?
Ano ka ba? Walang charotero.
Message nga for you to, and then
Ayaw nga pala. Quiet lang ako.
Yeah, promise yun. Promise.
Okay. Bye.